budget bike battle! The budget bike battle.
So we are back again, once again, at JHS Racing. Yeah, we're both here. We leave tomorrow and things aren't looking good. Basically, it's all good. I've got some Samcos on. I've treated the old girl. Got some Samcos, oil and water's in, rad's on. We're nearly there. I need to put the fairings on. I need to bleed the water system, top up with oil, put the fairings back on, and of course the brakes as well. So, which James is bleeding because it's a pain in the arse with those 6 spots. So, come on inside. Why are we doing it off the bike, James?
I thought it looked cool. No, it's because these 6 spots are notoriously bad for
Right.
trapping air. So what we do is try and get the calipers higher than the master cylinder, right, and wedge the pistons right back in, so there's no air in the system.
Right.
Right? They're notoriously bad, and this generally works.
Generally.
Generally.
Hi, mate.
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah. What's the time? Like 3 hours before we leave or something?
Probably, yeah. So, are you panicking?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm kind of ready to jack it in, to be honest.
Oh. What have you got to do? I say, what have you got to
Brakes
do?
are off, the clutch slave cylinder's off.
So yeah, let's have a little rewind. What happened with your clutch cylinder?
So, I needed I thought I'd go for new chain and sprockets.
Yeah.
There's a little, when the slave cylinder's on, there's a little sort of thing that stops that if you have an accident or whatever and the thing comes undone. So to get that little latchy bit off, you have to take the slave cylinder off. 2 snapped bolts later, and I think 85 quid's worth of slave cylinder parts, which have only just arrived. Yeah, we're starting to get a bit twitchy bottom. And also taking the brakes apart, I thought were alright, a bit manky. Well, there's a bit of a surprise. If I can get it done, there's a bit of a special surprise for that,
Yeah.
which you're going to love.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Yeah, and then heated grips, because it's, what was it, snowing in Morocco.
It was don't believe all that Band-Aid shit. It is snowing in
It
Africa.
does snow in Africa
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
Christmas, and snowing where we're going. So I'm kind of getting a bit of a practical edge here. So I've got heated grips going on, which is somewhere around here. A sat nav, so I know where I'm going, whereas you don't. And as this is a competition, and what else have I got? A chargeable USB socket. Yeah, it's not here yet.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Charge up some.
Well, you got quite a lot of stuff going through your
with the lithium-ion battery.
lithium-ion battery, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh, and the heated vest.
Yeah, and a heated vest. Yeah.
So, yeah. It's not looking good.
As you can tell, I'm enjoying this.
Really?
Yeah, getting off on it. Huh?
Mm.
Do you know what? When
What?
they invented 6 spots, I wonder if they had like 3 eyes.
Or one eye
Yeah,
that wasn't working properly.
wasn't working properly.
Yeah.
Or did they have that situation with the 3 breasts?
Mm.
Because it was probably one of the worst designed calipers in the world. It's coming. This seems to be the only way, isn't it? We've tried everything over the
So
years.
I mean, why did they even entertain the idea of 6 spots? Because Yamaha carried on for years, didn't they, with the R1?
Yeah,
Oh.
this works. Old-fashioned way of doing it with these calipers work.
Okay. Well, you're the expert, mate. There's one thing I hate doing. It's bleeding brakes. I cannot stand it. I can't do it.
There's a lot of excess wires, and then this confuses me. It's obviously to go into like some kind of circuit, so you don't leave them on when the bike ignition's off, but I don't know, it worries me. I don't really know how to do all that shit, so I'll get a professional.
to do the rest of your bike as well by the look of it.
Well, I quite like them to, really. I might fall over in a minute and be like, oh, hurt my leg. But these are practical mods, I think, that are going to help me.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you've got Samco hoses, you know, that's going to be great for keeping the temperature down on track,
Yeah.
but I'm concerned about keeping the temperature up going over a mountain range when it's 1 degree. I mean, it's pretty cold here.
Well, it's the 11th hour. We're nearly done. I've got to put the fairings on mine, finish off bleeding the brakes. Talking of brakes, this bell end has got some trick modification.
Bargain basement modification.
Well, it's not really that bargain, is it?
It is bargain.
Well, it's not.
It is bargain.
It's not.
We've got radial calipers, mate.
Yeah, radial calipers. Not really that bargain.
450
Plus your
450 quid.
plus the actual calipers themselves.
Yeah, but they're like peanuts.
Yeah.
On eBay.
Yeah.
30 quid?
So yeah, are you ready to go?
No.
Why not?
Well, this is a stupid mistake. I lost the original exhaust strap, so I'm just trying to literally bend a new one.
But that's quite trivial though, isn't it? It's not.
It is
you know.
quite trivial.
But are you ready to go-ish?
Yeah, so what? Also, I managed to find some proper nice Gillies rear sets on eBay.
Yeah.
I've done a 520 chain conversion, down one tooth at the front, which will give me a little bit more grunt, a little bit more power.
Acceleration, not power.
Yeah, I think we're good. I think it's a proper sorted bike now. It's going to stop well. It's going to go a bit better. Looks amazing. It's got heated grips and the sat nav.
Well, yeah. So in about 24 hours we leave. So let's hope. Let's just hope and pray.
Yeah. Actually,
Hope
yeah.
and pray.
Yeah. I know it's a competition and all that, but genuinely, I hope we both make it.
Well, I hope we both make it. Definitely. Otherwise, it's
I hope I'm just in front.
yeah.
You prefer it behind, don't you, mate?
The Budget Bike Battle! The Budget Bike Battle.
You can now show your support for either Team Ninja or Team SRAD by heading over to 44teeth.com and picking up one of these rather snazzy stickers to show your support.